Clear left.
Turn the lights back on here. There they come. Do need to do some kind of a run up here though, so I'm not really sure what. I think we could probably just do it right here.
Yeah, you can do it right here. There's no one behind us.
Okay, it's just going to be quick here anyways, so. Okay, I'm going to go 1700 RPM. Okay, go ahead and do the mags.
Right mag.
Okay.
Within the range.
Okay.
Left mag is good.
Good. Okay, back to both.
Yep, mags are both.
Okay, gauges are in the green. Everything's good there. Drop, rise, drop, idle. How's the carb heat on? Off. Okay. 800, 2000. Leave the picture there, that's fine. Okay, go ahead and do our pre-takeoff checklist here. There's going to be fuel selectors on both. Trim is set, I already did that. Flaps are up. There's going to be standard takeoff. Heading bug is set and carb heat is off. Okay, so runway heading, and then I'm going to go doors and windows are latched. Mixture, I'm going to go rich. Landing light, I'm going to go on. Strobes, I'm going to go on. Go runway 7 is identified and verified. Final is clear. Clock is started. Brakes released. Looking for a minimum of 2300. Pre-takeoff to go ahead is complete except for the doors. Whitted traffic. Skyhawk 8 Juliet Delta is taking runway 7. We're going to be departing the area to the east. Whitted traffic. Okay, final is clear.
Yep.
Okay.
Clear left.
Clear center and clear right.
Kind of a short runway.
Yeah, I'll find the center line here. I don't see it yet.
You're kind of right of center line.
Of it?
Yeah. Now you're a little left.
Oh, there it is.
Now?
Yep,
Yeah.
I see the center now. Okay, crosswind correction, and here we go. Okay, takeoff power is set. Friction lock is tight. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is alive.
Oil temp, oil
and
pressure.
60 knots, and rotate. Climb out at 75. Got a little bit too much nose up trim. Trim down just a little bit.
I'd climb out of VX if I were you, just because.
Yeah, get
ocean.
up and out of here as quick as we can. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn ourselves over here to a heading of east. I'm going to go ahead and set my heading bug on 090 for me.
Yep, go ahead. Do that.
Okay. Whitted traffic, Skyhawk 8 Juliet Delta is departing the area to the east. Final radio call, Whitted.
Santa 6066, Quebec has the weather in minutes. November 66 Quebec, Roger, thank you.
200 to go. Tampa departure, good evening, Skyhawk 738 Juliet Delta off of Albert Whitted 1000 for 1100.
Delta 289, Tampa approach, plan to visual approach, runway 1 left, descend and maintain 1000. November 738 Juliet Delta, Tampa departure, Roger. November 8 Juliet Delta, see your destination today and your requested altitude.
Yeah, we're going to Sanford, Sierra, Foxtrot, Bravo, request 5,500, 8 Juliet Delta.
8 Juliet Delta, Roger. I will have higher here for you momentarily. Let me just work with the next sector. But you are clearing to the Bravo. You can start a climb up to 1,600 for now.
Okay, clearing the Bravo up to 1,600, 8 Juliet Delta.
Delta 289, I might have stepped on you. Did you say you wanted the RNAV
Just be
visual
careful
one?
of that McGill airspace.
Yep, it only goes up to 1200.
Yeah, sure, I'll put it on request.
We're going to be above it.
To the next guy. November 32 Golf, contact Orlando approach 119.4.
Tampa, medevac 178 Alpha Mike is 2,500 for 2,000, direct Venice.
Medevac 178 Alpha Mike, Tampa approach, Tampa altimeter 29906. Let me know when you get the weather at Venice. And understand you're just looking for the visual approach 31.
Affirmative, and we got the weather into Venice for medevac 178 Alpha Mike.
Medevac 8 Alpha Mike, roger, expect that.
Looking good here.
Tampa Bay Juliet Delta 5,500 is approved.
5,500, 8 Juliet Delta. And he didn't give us a course, so I guess we're cleared on course.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Yeah, I mean, you told us.
40 Echo, roger, no travel between you and the airport. Registered services are terminated. Box 1200, change to advisory. Have a good
And he
night.
just asked what our destination was, so.
I mean, we can ask if you want. Just to
Okay,
make
yeah.
sure.
And approach, 8 Juliet Delta, just confirming we're cleared on course.
8 Juliet Delta, you can proceed on course.
On course, 8 Juliet Delta.
Awesome. See what the weather is at Sanford.
There you go.
Just like with the ADSB. The wind is 120 at 5.
Echo 784, Tampa
runway
departure,
9.
ready
Oh,
contact,
nice.
climb maintain
Yeah.
5,000.